Oh, hello, hello, hello. Okay, so this was my stream.
Oh, hello.
That was late.
Hello.
Okay, so now I don't know how to put this starting portion of that stream, which I make little po. So okay, finally, this was my first time live in where uh, I can solve all the basic queries on this table. Uh, this table you will get on Google or anywhere from your tuitions, academics, or colleges. Uh, this was the common table which 90% people are used to learn SQL. So I'm going to use this table. If you don't get this table, I'll share the source code. If you want, please comment down below. Mm, okay, let's start the video. Uh, in there, I am going to solve all the queries, all the basic queries. So the first query is write a query to display employee names from employee table. Okay. uh, Here we have to uh, find those find the specific employee names. So the query answer is select ename from emp. Okay, if I execute this, then I'll get my answers. So the enames and all that is here. So we are going to solve next, that is write a query to display employee number from employee table. So the second is select from EMP. Okay, select employee number from EMP. uh, After the executing this, I'll get those all employee numbers from the EMP table. uh, then next, third one, that is write a salary and name from employee table. Write a salary and name from employee table. So for this, select uh, what they say. First of all, they saying salary, so we have to put salary. Then name column was name, here is ename. So sal, comma, ename from table name is emp. So the answer is here. After that, the fourth one, this is write a query to display employee number, e-name, salary, department number from employee table. So this is also easy. Select employee number, comma, sal, comma, department number, that is DEPTNO. So after that, sorry, okay, this is our for from EMP. we have to select the table. So this is the final answer. We get that 4 outputs: the EMP number, EMP name, salary, department number. Okay. So after that, this was the SQL basic queries. Uh, this is so much basic. At the starting stage, you can use to learn this, to understand the SQL. What is the SQL? How they work. So after this, we are going to real part of SQL, a little bit clear part. There was first clause is distinct clause. In the distinct clause, there first is write a query to display, WAQTD. It means write a query to display unique department number and job from employee table. So what we have to find: unique department number. Unique department number means we don't want department number that is repetitive. So how we are going to write this query? So select. We have to use there one keyword, that is distinct. Select distinct department number and job. So comma job. After that, which table is from EMP, that table name. So uh, this was the output. There no department number in related to job. So that was the unique. If the 20 department number is working, I mean clerk, job position was the clerk was working in department number 20, then this value never comes again. Like department number 20 there was one manager, department number 20 there was one analyst. So this is the unique records. If I put there was only department number, then I'll get only those three values. So let's execute. Yes. So I'll get this only three values, but I put here job. There was name is job. So I have to put this column, and the final result you can show. How to, I don't know that. How to maximize this portion. If anybody knows, please tell me in comment box, so I can do it better for next time. So okay, uh, you able to see these queries only. So, and you can execute those queries in Oracle also. uh, so after this, write a query to display unique cell from employees table. Write a query to display unique cell from the employee table. Select. What we are going to do: select distinct cell from EMP. Yes. So after this, I'll get the salary column, which never be repetitive value. So The second one is end. After the third, we are going for third. Write a query to display unique cell job from employee. For this, select select distinct cell, comma, job from EMP. Okay, is this going to work? Okay, this will work. The fourth one is write a query to display salary and salary with the hike of 10%. It means we have to display the salary, and uh, we have to add 10% more in that salary, in that specific salary. So for this, we are going to write a query like select cell, comma, cell plus cell divide by 10. Okay, that is 10, no? Yeah. Divide by 10 from EMB. So the cell plus cell divided by 10, it will get me this 10% of salary, hike of 10% in the salary, in the main salary. So let's see what the result comes. So you can see here, there was salaries, main salaries, uh, 8 1800 so 880 is the hike, like 10% hike in those employees salary. So this is the query, uh, like this. The next query was write a query to display name and salary with hike of 20%. So you can put here just 20, uh, like here we are going to put 10, you are going to here put 20, like anybody hike you can you get it, like you want 25, or you want 4 450 also, we can try. Let's try. I also didn't try anywhere. So is that so is that correct or not? Just tell me, and if anybody knows, then tell me what the going on with this. Okay. So we are going to find the 50% hike. Let's try this. Hike was 50% is this. Oh, sorry. Sorry. There was a write a query to display name and salary. Name, salary. Okay. So we are e name, comma sal. Okay. The final result was this, that ename and sal. The real answer is select ename, comma sal plus sal divide by 50. Or the main question was the 20, so we are going to put here 20. Okay, so this is the final result of the table. Mm, so we are going to next one, that is write a query to display name, EMP number, salary, and salary with hike of 50 15%. So for this, ename for the name, EMP number, comma, sal, sal plus sal, divide by 15, 15% salary. So this was the final output. Okay, which one we solved? Sixth one. Now seventh one. Write a query to display name, salary, and salary with deduction of 10%. Means we are increasing by here we are increasing by 15% salary. So we have to reduce. Deduction means we have to reduce the 10% salary from the main salary, like uh, from 1800, from 800, we have to minus 10% amount. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do? So let for this, ename cell, comma, cell, where here we use the plus sign uh, for the gain the number, or for the increasing in that salary with increase with the 15%. So after this we have to deduct, so we are going to use the minus sign, uh, sal minus sal divided by 10 from the table name is EMP. So this was the final result from the 800 uh, minus 10%, that is 720. So okay, now next question is reduction. Like deduction and reduction, the meaning was same, just a difference is like, okay, I'm going to copy paste this. So write a query to display salary and salary. So I have to remove that ename column name. So select cell, comma, cell minus cell divided by 10 from EMP table. So this is the answer. Oh, sorry, that's not a final answer. We have to put here 20. Okay. So this is the answer. Write a query to display salary and salary with the reduction of 20%. The answer is select cell, comma, cell minus cell divided by 20 from EMP. So after this, we are going to see the allies. Allies means what? They are changing their names. Here we are going to first solve, write a query to display name of the employee along with their annual salary. So for this, we have to like we have to find the annual salary. Means the salary is this 800 salary. This was the monthly salary. If I want full year of salary, so what I have to do? So that is 800 into 12. So I can't find for every people 800 into 12, 1600 into 12, 1250 into 12. So this was very lengthy and long process. So for this, uh, I have to find the I have to put the query like select ename. What we have to find ename of the employee, so the along with annual salary, so sal into 12. That's simple. Okay, sal into 12. So sal into 12 means that is what is this? So this is the annual salary. So we are going to see, we have to see this column as a annual salary. So as we have to use as keyword, uh, and annual underscore salary. Okay, from EMP. So okay, if I execute query so select ename sal into 12 from EMP, then this column name was sal into 12, but I have to change the column name also. So to change the particular column name, we have to put that column name as annual salary. Like if here I am going to comment this out. So for the comment, we have to press slash star. What we have to do the comment in their middle portion. After that, to end the comment, the star or slash. So skip this part. Uh, what if done if I not write here as an annual salary? So the column name was sal into 12. You can see here sal into 12. There, so sal into 12. And if I am not going to, not if I don't want this sal into 12 column, and I have to change the column name ename as the annual salary. So here you can see the annual salary is Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin. So this was output we have to get if we use the as keyword. So okay, so this is the our answer is select ename sal into 12 as annual salary from EMP. So the next question, that is write the query to display name and job for all the employees and their half salary. So write a query to display name and job for all employee. Name, what we want, name and job. So select what the name column name is, ename, comma, job. Okay, and what we want, their half salary. So for the full of that salary, what we are writing, that is into 12 for the year of salary. So if I want the that that 1800 salary, so if I want the 1800 half, so what I have to do, that is select ename comma job comma cell into 0.5. 0.5 will get me half value from EMP. Okay, so this was the final answer. Yeah, Smith, that working as a clerk, and their salary is showing like 400. There was the 800, and here now the half salary was showing here. Uh, you want the see the king president, his salary is 5,000, and now this seeing as 2,500, so this will get the half salary. After this, write the query to display all the details of employee with the annual bonus of 2,000. Okay, so I'm not going to type those so much things. The simple is all the details of the employee. Okay, we want all the details. So for the all details, we have to put asterisk. Asterisk is means star. Select star from EMP. This was the basic, and we want one additional column, that is uh, annual bonus of 200 2,000. So for the annual bonus means we have to find out first annual salary, and in that annual salary we have to put plus 200, sorry, 2,000. Okay, so we are find going to find sal into 12 plus 200, 2,000. So after the executing this, the result was like column name was sal into 12 plus 2,000. So I don't want this sal name. So here with the annual bonus, the column name was with the annual bonus. For this, as always remember this, if we want to uh, put the column name with the two different with two different names, like annual plus bonus, like this, so we have to put underscore in between them. Okay, so let's execute this, and this was the final result. The final result telling like all the details of employee. uh, Now the fourth one is write a query to display name and salary with the deduction of 25%. Okay, so for this 25%, comma sal comma sal minus sal, uh, this is right, sal minus sal divided by 25 from EMP. Okay. Okay, select ename sal comma sal minus sal divided by 25. Yeah, this will get the salary with the deduction of 25%. So our next topic is questions on where clause. So for the questions on where clause, we are going to first solve the query is write a query to display the annual salary of the employee whose name is Smith. Okay, so we have to find the single particular employee's annual salary. Here we are going to find always all the employees annual salary. So for the select particular employee, for the select particular value, we have to use where clause. Okay, so for this, select uh, sal to 12 from EMP, and we want the Smith salary. So we are going to put here where keyword where ename ename equals to okay. If it's not run, maybe we have to give the values in uh, these capital letters. Okay, in MS SQL Server they will execute. So annual salary of the Smith is 9600.00. Uh, so this is the use of where clause, where ename like select asterisk from EMP, where ename like that column name equals to in a single quote we have to put the particular value which record we want. Okay, so this is the first query answer. After that, second query is write a query to display name of the employee working as a clerk. So select ename name of the employee working as a clerk. So clerk is what? Clerk is job, and job name is CLERK. Okay, select ename from EMP where job equals to clerk. Okay, so those employees are working as a clerk. Okay, after this, the next one is write a query to display salary of the employee who are working as a salesman. So select salary of the employee who are working as a salesman. So job equals to sorry, sal- salesman. Okay, spelling was correct. Let's execute. So this is the salary of those employees who are working as a salesman. If we have to uh, we want the particular uh, particular record like full of the record, we have to put asterisk here. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to salesman. After this I'll get the all of the details about where job equals to salesman. Okay, so here you can see the job equals to salesman, and those salary values which comes previously. So this was the salary values and all the details of those employees, their department number and all and all. So this is this is the final answer. Select cell from EMP where job equals to salesman. So next one is write a query to display details of the employee who earn more than 2000. So select, we want all details. So star, yeah, or asterisk who earn more than 200. So from EMP where cell is greater than 2000. Okay, so if we passing the integer value, we don't use the single quote. If I pass here character value, so I have to put the single quote, but for the integer value this not needed. So the next question is write a query to display details of the employee whose name is John. Okay, so I want all the details of the employee uh, whose name is John. Okay, control, sorry, yeah. So for all detail I have to put that is asterisk equals to, yeah. So the final query is select star from EMP where ename equals to John's. So the details of John's is here, you can see. uh, so okay, next one, this is write a query to display details of employee who was hired after the 01 Jan 1981. Year was 81. So yeah, select asterisk from EMP where higher date is less than okay. So write a query to display details of the employee who was hired after 1 Jan 1981. If you are using the Oracle SQL, their table name or the table name was like the value is 01 Jan 81 or 1981. So you have to just a simple copy paste this all value and put here with the single quote. Okay, so yeah, I get all the details of the employee who is hired up, who is hired after 1981. Okay, So the next query, uh, write a query to display name and salary along with his annual salary if the annual salary is more than one 1 lakh, 12,000. So the basic syntax is, for the where clause, the basic syntax you have to save it in your mind. Select, then for the second name was EMP, then third line name was where. So what we are going to write in select, in front of select. So the front of select, name and salary along with his annual salary. Okay, so name for the name, salary for the cell for the salary column, and with his annual salary means what we want, that is cell into 12. Okay, cell into 12. This will get you annual salary from the table name is EMP, where cell into 12 is greater than 1 to 000. Okay, so annual salary which is greater than 1 to 000, I'll get those record only. You can check here. We get this all the value more than 1 to 000. So after this, write a query to display employee number. Where is gone? Write a query to display employee number of employee who are working in department number 30. Okay, so for this uh, employee number, EMPNO, select employee number of the employee who are working in the employees who are working in 30, where the department number equals to 30. Is this correct? Okay. Select employee number from EMP where department number equals to 30. So we are going to execute next, that is write a query to display ENAME and hire date if they are hired before 1981. Okay, so select ENAME comma hire date from EMP where hire date is less than single quote, hire date is less than 9. What we have to do, that is 1980. Okay, yeah, 1980 dash 12 dash 31. Okay, so after executing this we get our answer. So yeah, before the 1981 those employees are hired. Okay, So after this, write a query to display details of the employee working as a manager. So to get all the details, select asterisk from EMP where job equals to, okay, where write a query to display details of the employee working as a manager. The answer is select asterisk from EMP where job equals to manager. So after this, I'll get all the details of the manager. After the next one is write a query to display name and salary. Uh, Name and salary given to an employee if the employee earns a commission of rupees 1400. So what we want, the part is this commission. Okay, so for this, select where commission equals to 1400. Okay, we want the commission column. Okay, so the only one row is selected, that is Martin, 1250 commission salary. Okay, so after this we are going to solve the 12th one. Write a query to display details of employee having commission more than salary. Write a query to display details of employee having commission more than salary. Okay, so for this, select asterisk uh, from EMP having commission is more than salary. So uh, where where what, we have to compare the commission column and the salary column. So where commission is greater than sal salary. Is this going to work? Yeah, this is working. So okay, now come to the 13th one. Write a query to display employee number of EMP number of employee hired before year uh, 1987. So for this, the query is like select from higher rate where higher date is uh, what we want, the higher rate is less than in the single quote 1981 na? 1986 dash 12 dash 31. Okay, so this will execute, and yeah, the employee number of the employee hired before. After the 1987, no one is hired in this column. So the employee number of those employee who is hired before 1986 or 1987. So moving to the next one, that is write a query to display details of the employee working as an analyst. So for this, select, oh sorry, details. For the detail, for all the details, we have to put asterisk from EMP where job equals to, in the single quote we have to put analyst. Okay, so this is our answer. Yeah, the job equals to analyst, the all details of those employee who's working as an analyst. Okay, now the next one is, last one is, write a query to display details of employee earning more than 200 rupees per month. Okay, so every month we want the salary, every monthly salary which is more than 200. Okay, for this, select asterisk from EMP. Okay, so select asterisk from EMP where sal is greater than 200. Okay, so after the executing this last one query, and our answer is like this. Yeah, so finally the basic, all the basic queries part was done here. I'm going to check now is there I'm currently live or not. Oh, I live more than 52 minutes. How much viewers? No one. Okay, so I hope you are enjoy this video, and maybe this video was helpful for you, and please at least like this video. If you are still here, please like the video. Bye bye.